Hello trainers, my name is Gurpreet Singh. I'm an EdTech consultant and IELTS business coach. One common question I confront frequently in business meetings is that how trainers can generate student leads effectively. So I'm making a series of videos helping you out with new ideas that you can implement on your website. As an institute owner, you know that lead generation is crucial for your business success. In fact, there's a good chance you spend a lot of time thinking about it, worrying about it, and wondering what else you could do. Should you try a social media ad or Facebook ad? Maybe launch a YouTube channel or hire someone to do it for you. The problem is there are so many options out there and you're tired of hearing about the same old lead generation strategy. If you're eager to try something new, lead generation quizzes may be the answer you are looking for. If done correctly, they can capture thousands of relevant leads in a short period of time. What is lead quizzes? Lead quizzes helps you capture the student leads. Student can access the free mock test after filling a simple form. In this form, you can ask for email ID, mobile number, and other data you want to collect. What's great about lead quizzes is that you don't only gather information on a new lead, you also get the student results that you can see on your teacher dashboard. This way you can pre-qualify them by knowing whom you are speaking to and what practice they need the most. Now I'm going to give you the idea how to promote your lead quizzes, generate leads and convert them into your paying customers. There are a couple of ways to promote and distribute your lead quizzes. Your major outlet for social media channel would be Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you have captivating headline and attractive image to represent your quiz. Make the heading challenging and interesting. In this example, I have added a test which says how good you are at reading. And there's another example which says only 15% can score above 7 band. So if I am an IELTS student, I will definitely give it a shot. Also add a link in the post which will take user to the test, and this way you can generate a lead. Also, do not be afraid to use paid advertising to promote your test on Facebook. You have choices to select the audience, age group. You can also set the demography, interest and behavior. You can select the education criteria of the person, the interest of the student and the behavior, whether the person purchases something online or not. So you can set the demography and all other settings, and this way you can reach out to a very specific audience. Also, the cost per lead is very less. It's below 10 rupees, which is around 0.1 or $2. So you can always give it a try without any risk and reach out to your audience. You can also use blogs to share your IELTS tips. There you can publish a free test to practice. Here we have added a one tip which is explaining true and false questions, and after reading the instructions, student can practice a mock test. Email marketing is also one of the very effective and cheap way to promote your mock test. You can send a campaign to your custom audience and you can see the click rate is also really good. You can also see how many clicks you have and the person who have clicked on your email. Once you get the relevant leads, convert them into your paid users. To do so, create email funnel and set up automated follow-ups. You can use companies like MailChimp, Zoho, SendGrid, AWS or any other platform that you like for email automation. Build trust with your new leads by sharing testimonials, success stories and case studies. Encourage your audience to take more tests on your website. Also, you can send them your upcoming badges details, masterclass and webinar link to join. Number 2, do marketing on your quiz result page. Result page is the best place to display your ads. After user take a free mock test and submit it, he sees the detailed overview report of number of right and wrong attempts, how much time he has spent, and a button to see the score and explanation. At the bottom, there is an option where you can display your custom ad. You can customize a message, you can add the picture and CTA button. Now, this message can be designed using Elementor, and you can set a custom message like if you want user to join your free masterclass, you can add your picture and a button to join the class. If you want user to join your scholarship test, or if you want user to join your coaching, there are multiple examples that I'm showing you on the screen. So you can decide which message you want to display to the user after he submits your free mock test. Every test he submits, he will see a different message, and you can take user to the another page where you can promote your paid services, your free services, your webinar, or your paid classes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of my upcoming IELTS marketing related videos. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. If you want me to make a video on any other topic, please suggest me in the comment as well. If you like the video, please hit on the click icon, and if you did not like the video, please do not hesitate to click on dislike button. I will make more videos to guide you further. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep teaching, keep working, and keep building. Thank you.